Grabe ang init, pre. Ang init. So, hey, ang ganda nito. Pumunta ako sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. Actually, ang purpose ko lang doon is bilhin yung Jordan 6 niya. So, pero nakakatawa because I ended up spending $430. As in, grabe. So, short lang yung mga videos ko na while lang doon ako, short video lang kasi hindi ko nadala yung camera ko. So, phone lang yung gamit ko. So, pero may video pa rin habang nandun ako sa bahay niya. So, ito yung gagawin natin, pre. So, sabihin nyo sa akin kung sulit ba yung pagpunta ko doon. Sulit ba yung $430 na ginastos natin doon. So, i-comment nyo at the end of the video, i-comment nyo kung panalo ba or talo tayo. Alright, so nakakatuwa to kasi nga unexpected to. Hindi ko akalain na gagastos ako ng $430. Yeah. So, panoorin nito. Ang saya nito. Oh, you got the sound?
The soundbar? Oh, and then I got that nice receiver right there. That's a good one, man. Like, I think it's just parts, but look it up, bro. I mean, they sell for like $250 for parts.
These two right here?
This one works.
This one works? Mm-hmm. And that one even is for parts. They still sell.
And here's the reason why. Because they have some, like, damage in the back right here. And
so you tested it and then it doesn't work?
I told the damn guy. I was like, you sure nothing's wrong with it? It's good to go? Mm-hmm. He said, it's good to go, man. No, he's like, I turned it on. He said he hooked up his fingers to it. He said it works fine. And when I got home, I didn't realize.
The screw is loose?
Yeah, this right here is loose. And then I was looking at it, look, these two are pushed in. But he said it works, but I have not tested it, man. So I was thinking for parts. No, for parts, I bet you. Absolute minimum 150, but you'll probably get 200 plus.
But this one definitely it works.
Man, I got it from a real nice house. Like I said, it powers on and everything. I bought the battery for it, the test and the charger and all that, and it works fine. As far as the back screen, I just don't have a lid to put on it.
How much are you thinking?
I'll tell you what I'm thinking, but I don't remember what it goes for, so I don't want to scare you away.
No, you're scaring me.
Like 40 bucks.
40 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do 40 bucks.
Cool?
Yeah. So that's 40 bucks. And then this one.
Do you like to sell boots?
We'll add them up later.
You like to sell boots?
I got so many. What kind of boots?
Pair,
Hey, you remember that Chippewa? Chippewa? Was it Chippewa? What is it? The one that I got for... I sold it and he returned it.
Why?
He doesn't fit him. Like you know how how it was modified, right? Like they took the zipper off and then just stitch it with whatever. Oh, he said like in this part right here, the thigh part, it's like tight or something. I was like, it should not be tight because like if you zip it, it's even tighter because it's a zipper. Yeah, and there's like an allowance there. I was like, whatever. He returned it. I mean,
resell it again.
I'm gonna resell it again. Oh, that's a good one.
These are good, bro. I remember when I bought them. I remember they go for like decent money. Like they're decent stuff.
Oh yeah, Dan Post is good.
$49.09. Dan Post $49.09.
Yeah.
Check them out, dude. Oh, those are good.
Yeah, I'll get that.
Oh, dude, you want this, bro? Dude, this will be easy to ship, bro.
John Deere.
Dude,
is that like for the real thing or is it a toy?
Dude, it's a real thing. Dude, this right here will probably bring you $250, $300.
That's
I'll
good.
give it to you for cheap, dude.
Yeah, I'll grab that.
Look it up, dude. Look it up. Look up the mall, bro. Look up the mall. It has some damage, but I mean, people still buy these, bro.
They fixed it, right? Let me look it up.
Dude, look it up. Oh.
Ito lang yung pinunta ko dito. But I have all these right here. Yeah, man. You should start your YouTube, man.
You're kind of motivating me, bro.
No, I'm telling you, because like you get some good stuff all the time. You know what I mean?
That's freaking awesome, bro. I mean, 44 cents. I mean, I think that's freaking awesome, dude.
That's why I was like, dude, I already got 44 cents for one day. And I already got like 1,000 subscribers. Oh yeah, I haven't sold. I got not yet.
Really?
You remember I got one from you like
Yeah.
this before, and I haven't sold it yet.
Okay. Look, I got all this stuff from what's it called? This shit. I just have a lot of toys and stuff, man.
I think just this it, man.
Yeah. You don't want these pads?
I think I'm gonna pass on that. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, that's cool.
So what's the damage, if there is a damage?
Oh, did you look this up or no?
I did not. I was just. How much are you asking for that?
Dude, I'll take $50 for it.
$50?
I think, dude, I wouldn't be surprised if you sold it for $150.
Yeah, I'll take that for 50,
really
man.
wouldn't.
Yeah. I'll take that for 50.
So $60 right there.
Hey, it's okay for you if I'm gonna upload this video, right? You don't mind?
I don't mind.
You don't mind? Okay.
I guess not.
It's for YouTube. It's for money. Hey, if I'm gonna make money off this video, man, I'll give you a cut.
That's cool, man.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, you got it on video, right?
I got it on video.
60, you said 60 on that, right? 120?
120.
I said 40 on that. Is that cool?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
160.
160. I'll just do it for like $20, bro.
180.
And then we said 15 each on all these, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then 15 on that. So that's 16. So
240.
240. Okay. I said how much for that? 60.
Mm-hmm. So 300.
The shoes were 30.
330.
350.
350.
And then the two Sonos. I think I said, what did I say on those?
50 or 60?
Yeah, I think I said 60 on that one. I think it's 50 on that one, right?
Yeah, so that's 410. How about 400?
That's cool.
400 for everything?
The boots.
Oh, you haven't counted the boots yet? Okay. 400.
30 bucks.
So
I think they're $100 boots.
430?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do 430.
Okay.
So you're gonna drive with me
Yeah, that's cool.
to the bank?
Yes, sir.
Because I didn't expect this.
Yes, sir. You know I always got stuff for you, bro.
I know, man. I appreciate you. Alright, let's go, let's go. 430. So ito na yung lahat. Nasa kotse. Ibaba ko muna to. Ito yung pinaka-the best to. Pero ibaba ko muna mga to. And then isa-isahin natin, ha. Alright, let's go, let's go. So ito yung mga na-pick up natin. So ito brand new to. May mga screenshot dyan, ha. May mga screenshot dyan para makita nyo kung kompleto to, brand new. Para makita nyo kung magkano sila nabibenta sa eBay online. So, and then yeah. At again, sa comment sabihin nyo sa akin kung sa comment sabihin nyo kung panalo to or talo. So ito Nike na golf shoes. Ang ganda niyan. And then may Harden na Adidas. James Harden. Brand new to pero parang madumi. Madumi konti. Ito. May mga dumi-dumi konti pero brand new to, James Harden. And then ito lang talaga yung pinunta ko doon. Ito solid na solid. Ito I think mabibenta to mga I don't know, mga 150 basta may screenshot diyan. Ito lang talagang pinunta ko doon. But I ended up na dami yung nabili ko. So yeah, ang ganda niyan. And then ito camera na Fuji. Ang ganda niyan. And then ito Panasonic Lumix Panasonic. Ang ganda niyan. And then ito na I think mamahalin to eh. I think mamahalin talaga to. Basta may screenshot diyan. Solid din to. Ay, sana nga panalo to. Ito Nikon na DSLR D5000. No lens, good screen. So gumagana to. Wala lang lens. D5000 na Nikon DSLR. So maganda 'yan. Solid na solid. Okay na okay. And then ito mga TI instrument. Ito basta mga ito mga calculator. Always to. Ang bilis. Bread and butter to eh. And ang bilis nito mabenta. So tatlo yan. TI-84 na calculator. 84 ba to? 84 plus silver edition. So tatlo yan. And then mayroon tayong boots dito. Anong boots to? Danpost na boots. Ang ganda ng boots na to. Grabe. Buong buo pa to. Buong buo. And then may dalawa tayong Sonos na ito for sure itong brand na to mamahalin to. Sonos na speaker. Grabe oh. Soundbar. Ang ganda niyan. Ay, dalawa. And then ito din. Denon. Sabi niya gumagana daw to eh. Gumagana pero mayroon lang mga loose na mga screws dito sa loob. But I don't think it's bad. I think mamahalin to pre. I think nabibenta to at least $300 if I'm not mistaken. Basta may mga screenshot yan. So, yeah. So, ito yung lahat. So, kinabahan ako dito. $430. Pag-uwi ko, sabi ko $430. I don't know kung may kikitain na yun or panalo to. Again, mag-comment kayo. Ay, mayroon pang isa sa labas. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. may isa pa sa labas. Maganda din yon, unexpected din yun na binili ko. So, yeah, so papakita ko sa inyo yun. Alright? I think ito yung pinaka maganda nito. Dahil ito kahit ililista ko to or ibibenta ko to for parts, mabibenta ko to over $300. For parts sira as is. So, yeah, pinaka the best to. So, yeah, so anong palagay nyo? Ano sa palagay nyo? Maganda ba tong pick up na to or talo tayo? Talo ba to or panalo? So, sabihin nyo sa akin, mag-comment kayo kung talo or panalo. $430 ang ginastos natin. Alright, so ulitin. Bye-bye.